Fourth grade into math, module 1 review. Vocabulary. Choose the correct term from the vocabulary box to complete the sentence. The blank of 512,789 is 500 plus 10,000. Sorry, 500,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. So what word goes in there? What expanded form? When you blank a number, you exchange amounts of equal value to rename the number. So a lot of times you guys hear you go next door, you take 10 more, or you put, if it's a 2-digit number, you put it at the bottom and then put the new number at the top to add. What is that called? Regroup. Okay. Blank describes the value of a digit in a number based on the location of the digit. So a lot of times I'll say, what blank is that in? What place value is that in? Okay. Concepts and skills. Select all of the ways to regroup and rename 4,200. State which strategy or tool you will use when you answer the question. Explain your choice and then select the answers. So, how many zeros does this have? So if I write over here, if I write this, how many do those 2 zeros represent? 2 zeros represent hundreds, right? So would A go with it? Yes. Okay. Would B? No, because we just said 4,200, so it can't be 42,000. Okay. What about 4,201? If I took 4,200 times 1, would that still get me the same answer? Yes. So letter C. What if I got rid of one of these zeros? What am I left with? Am I left with 420? Yes. And then I have 1 0, so that could be 10, right? So would that work here? Yep. Would 421s work? No, because we just said 10. Would 420,000s work? No, because we just said the 10s, right? Okay. So we kind of talked about the explaining, so we're not going to write anything on the line. Okay, let's look at number 5. Which is the correct value that completes the sentence? The value of the digit 2 in 321,705 is blank times the value of the digit 2 in 32,571. So let's write those numbers over here. So we have 321,705. And then the 2 is right here, correct? Okay. Then we have 32,571, and the 2 is right here. So the 2 in the first one is in what place value? The 10,000s, right? The 2 in the second one is in the what place value? Is in the thousands spot, right? So how far are those place values apart? How many spaces? 1 space. So if we have 1 space apart, then those, it's how much bigger? 10, 100, 10, right? Number 6, what is 200,000 plus 80,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 1 written in standard form? So what, how am I going to write my numbers? I'm going to write 2, what's next? Not comma. What's my next number, guys?
I know 8.
8. For the 10,000s, do I have anything in the thousands spot? No, so I put a 0 and then I can put my comma. Do I have anything in the 100?
Yes.
Yes. What? 5. What about the 10s? 7. And what about the 1s? 1. Number 7. In the United States, about 620,000 dogs that enter animal shelters as strays are returned to their owners. Which numbers round to 620,000 when rounded to the nearest 10,000? Select all that apply. So I'm going to go and I'm going to circle on these. So 10,000 is the 1 and underline the 9. Would that be rounded to 620,000 or would it be 610,000? 620, so I can pick letter A. Letter B, I'm going to circle the 0 and underline the 5. What would that be rounded to? It'd be rounded to 610,000, right? Would we pick that one then? No. Okay. Next one. I circle the 2 and underline the 1. Is that going to be rounded to 620,000 or 630,000? 620 because 0 or 1 is 4 below, right? So you stay the same. The next one, I circle the 2 and underline the 5. Is that going to be rounded to 620,000 or 630,000? 630,000 because 5 is 5 or higher. Oh, so we wouldn't pick that one. And that would mean we would go up 1. I'm going to circle the 1, underline the 4. Is that going to be rounded to 610,000 or 620,000? 610,000 because it's 4 below, so you see the same. Number 8, which comparison is true? Select all that apply. 37,940 is greater than 37,939. Is that true or false? It's true, right? Because if we were doing place value, these are the same, thousands are the same, hundreds are the same, and then we get to the 4 and the 3, correct? Okay. 473,248 is equal to 473,248. True, false? True. They're the exact same number on both sides, right? Okay, next one. Let's look at 16,105 is equal to 16,103. Are those the same? No, they are not the same, so that would not be true. 801,269 is greater than 801,296. So let's compare our place values. So in the 100,000s, we both have 8. In the 10,000s, we both have 0. In the 1,000s, we both have 1. In the hundreds, we both have 2. In the tens, we have a 6 and we have a 9. Is 6 greater than 9? No. So is that true? No. Okay. So this is where we have to show our work to make sure that we're getting it right. Remember, what I do, you do. So you need to show your work also. Okay, next one. 37,340 is less than 37,890. So this is where we do our marking off the place values. 10,000 has 3 in it. 1,000 both have 7 in it. Hundreds, do they have the same number? No. So I'm going to circle my 3 and I'm going to circle my 8. So is 3 less than 8? Yes. So is that true? Yes. Number 9, which does the numbers order correctly from least to greatest? So once again, we kind of have all those place values the same, right? Okay. Now these all have 32,000 in them. So we can get rid of the 32,000 in each one of them, right? And our hundreds is where it starts. So is that correct? No, because if we go to the second one, it's 452 and the other one's 425. So is that correct? No. So A is not our answer. Okay. What about the next one? We have 304,000, 305,000, 306,000. Is that correct? Yes. Because it goes least to greatest. We have 817,000, 871,000, and 871,000. So the first one is for sure correct. The next one has 871,000 in each, so we can get rid of that. And then it's 29 to 492. Yes, so is that one correct? Yes. The next one, we have 216,000, 261,000, and then 216,000 again. Is that one correct? No. Okay, so letter D would not be a choice. And then letter E, we have 86,000, 96,000, and 169,000. So does